here. Going back tonight in Hanoi already. So, nadaanan ulit namin ang Sapa Station, guys.
Yeah.
Kaya today, cable car is closed, no?
Yeah. It's closed for maintenance.
Ah, unfortunate for me. BB Express I was able to eat here last night. Food was great. Yeah. So right now I'm doing a city tour here right now in Sapa.
Oh.
Yeah, before going to Alpine. Yeah.
You have any plan after Alpine?
I'm going to Moana. Hopefully you'll be the one that I can ride to as well.
Yeah. If you want, you can go to the Mudpet Farm because it's a Mudpet Farm. In there is much better than Moana.
Oh.
Yeah, in there it's have a tree. Yeah, it's row trees. Now it's have fruit. It's very famous in Sapa to check in now.
Oh. Okay. So
Wait.
what can I see there in that location, brother?
In Mudpet Farm, it have a lot of beautiful place, spot to check in,
Mm-hmm.
and in there you can check in with the animal because it's like a farm. In there it have the capybara, the ampika, cat, dog, rabbit, and a lot of girls. It's beautiful and lovely in there.
Yeah,
You
that,
should go to there.
okay. Yeah. So right now you see it's foggy today, no?
Yeah, today is fog, a little bit foggy.
Brother, you're the first driver that I took in Grab who can speak English very well.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
You're good in speaking English and you really can do a tour to foreigner like us.
Exactly.
Oh, so you're from Hanoi.
Yes, I'm from Hanoi.
And then you choose to stay here.
Yeah, I'm just moved to here for a few months to start new job in here. In Hanoi, I'm working in tourism.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
So we're here at the top. You can see the alpine tree. Yeah. I think yesterday we also passed through this area.
Yeah. This is like a main road.
Yeah. Ah.
So there are a lot of places.
This way is also going to Katkat or a different route?
No, different way.
Ah, different
Yeah.
way. Always you see the mountain view. Oh. Very nice. The weather's good.
Yeah, not raining is good.
Philippines, actually I'm Filipino. So in Philippines we're abundant in typhoon.
Yeah.
Abundant
A
typhoon.
lot of us here.
Yeah.
Same in Vietnam.
Yeah. Typhoon as well.
Yeah. Typhoon, hurricane, a lot.
Oh, pausa pa. Sige.
But it's pretty hard because obviously even go by the car like me,
Yeah.
the road is there, the condition of the road is very
Yeah.
worse.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, even easy to
Agree.
slide.
That's what they mentioned. Oh, nice view. Wow. Oh, guys, look. We're below the mountain. Yeah. That's why it's foggy. There's so many ongoing. Oh, I thank Lord because I was able to ride with you speaking. I can speak to you.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the driver always used the translator app
Yeah.
so that we can understand each other. Unfortunately, there are some translation that is wrong.
Yeah.
So there's some miscommunication and
It's not
misunderstanding.
meaning.
Yeah. So where did you study here? You study here in
I'm studying in Hanoi. I'm studying to be a pharmacist. When I finish it, I'm quit and go out to work in like tour guide tourism for 7 years.
Nice. You changed your career as well. We're already almost at the top of the mountain, guys. This kind of really driven by a motorbike. Can't by motorcycle, but if you're a passenger, please use Grab rather than motorbike. Other day,
Yeah.
I saw there's a windmill.
What?
Windmill.
Windmill?
Yeah, windmill here in Hanoi, in Vietnam.
Oh.
But I cannot specifically point out where is it. So we're here, guys. We're here already. Oh, okay. So we're here already.
Here you are.
So guys, nandito na ako sa Hmong Village, Alpine Coaster. Dito na tayo, guys. So explore muna tayo bago tayo sumalak sa ating ride. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket, pero dahil ako nakabook na online, so ito guys, yung may expect natin dito. Ayan. So tingnan natin. Ayan. Oh, very foggy Sabi God, ayan guys, ako lang ulit isa mag-ride. Kumusta naman? Malamig ang panahon at foggy. Ayan guys, so dito na tayo sa may entrance. Ito yung mga sasakyan guys. Oh, ito yun guys. Kumusta naman?
Ikaw na mag-ala, ako mag-control.
Pinoy ang kasama.
Ang taste. Ano? Hindi ko na lang natin.
Ang bilis ni ate. Bilis. Ready na tayo guys. Ay, good luck to me guys. Malamig pa man din ang panahon. Ay. So, palang hawakan to. Ayan. Nice. Ano lang tayo? Chill lang. Ito pala yun. Sige. Yung iba medyo mabilis. Ay, paliko siya. Tatlong ikot to eh. Yan. Bago pumunta dun sa sabi nila, one is never enough. Yan. Pero pagka, eto, nakokontrol mo naman kung kamay, kung gusto mong mabilis. Pwede mo rin pabangalin, pwede mabilis. Nasigaw si ate. Go na. Chill lang. Kung gusto mo mabilis, di. Yung iba, bueno, sigaw si ate. Pag mabilis, ang gusto nila. Malayo pala to. Dahil tayo na may dalawang ride. So, yan, medyo bilisan natin. Hi! Medyo foggy ngayon ang panahon, guys. Ayan. Safe naman siya. Oh, oh. Sumisigaw si ate. Nice experience guys. Alpine Coaster dito sa Sabah. Yan. Isa sa mga dapat nyo puntahan. Yan. Oh, meron mga nandun sa taas. Buti na lang piniram ako ng selfie stick. Oh, dito tayo. Oh. Oh. Sige, iharap naman natin sa atin guys. Yan. Continue tayo guys. Ayan, may tao sa likod ko. So, chill lang. Chill lang tayo. Ay, nandito tayo sa may part ng mountain na. Ayan. Ayan, huminto ng konti. End of track. Ayan. So, end na ng track. Ay bakit ayaw niya umandar? Ayaw niya umandar, ayun guys. Kusa siyang aandar. Ayan. Ay! Bakit na tayo guys? Ay, totoo nga yung sabi nila na one is never enough. Ayan. Ayan, pakayat na tayo. Ay, nice experience. Isa pa. Pakayat pala tayo dito. Ayun o. Sige, akayat tayo. Tingnan natin ha. Ito pala yung mahaba. Sige, ito ha. Ayan. Pakayat pa tayo dito guys. Ayan. Pakayat na tayo. Tingnan natin nga sa likod natin. Wala pa. Ayan. So, hindi na ako mahawak dun sa ano. Kasi, automatic na siyang umaandar. Ayan. So, pakayat na tayo, guys. Nice experience. Highly recommended, guys. Talaga. Itong ride na to. Alpine coaster ang tawag. Ayan. So, yun yung kaninang inikot-ikot natin. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, akayat na tayo, guys. So, ito yung ating first set of ride. Meron pa tayong pangalawa. Sulitin na natin, guys. Ayan. Okay. Ayun. Thank you.
Sabi ni Kuya, I still have another round. Yan. So, pipila ulit tayo. Ito, isa pa. Okay. So, punta tayo dito ulit. So, second round ulit tayo, guys. Yan. Kasi sabi nila, one is not enough. So, unlimited naman yung guide natin today. So, yan. Sana matapat tayo sa kulay pink. So, may nagpipintura. Doon ako galing, guys, pagbaba.
Sigaw ni ate. Waga.
Second round tayo, guys. Second round.
Yeah, brother.
See control speed. Go fast. Medium or slow.
Okay.
Not so slow. Only fast and medium.
Okay.
It is 25 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
Ready?
Go.
Go.
Yan, go na tayo, guys. Ayan. Medium lang tayo. Napabilis yata tayo, guys. Mapapasigaw ka nga pala dito. Aba, mabilis yung aking ginawa. Ayan, oh. Woohoo! Woohoo! Sige, tapusin natin itong ride na ito, guys. Ayan, mabilis tayo ngayon. Mabilis yata itong nasakyan ko. Oh! Aba, mabilis itong ating nasakyan ngayon na. Grabe. Yung kanina medyo tinitimpla-timpla pa natin. Ngayon medyo alam na natin, gamitin na natin at hindi naman nakakatakot. Kaya nagmamilis ang lola ni Isham. Ayan! Woohoo! Woo! Ilang minuto kaya itong ride? Sige, i-timer natin, guys. Tapusin natin hanggang matapos tong video na to. Yan. Ayun, merong huminto. Kaya kailangan nating magbagal. Yan. Sige. Let's go. Parang nag-automatic siya dito guys nung humihinto. Sa area na to. Yan. So makikita nyo guys, nasa mountain tayo. Yan. End of shot. So kusa siyang humihinto rito. Yan. Bakit na tayo? Napakaya na tayo guys. May automatic camera din guys. Kaya naghinto muna tayo. So malapit na tayo matapos. Ayun no. Ayun na guys. Oh ayun. Yung iba. Ayan. Everybody's enjoying. Yan. So pakaya na tayo. Meron tayong kasunod pero may automatic siya na nag-stop. Yan. Para nga naman hindi magkamanggaan. Nice. Yan. Ayan guys, salamat Lord sa opportunity na ito. Ayan, nabinabigyan tayo ng kalusugan para magawa ito. Ayan guys. Nakikita nyo si ate. Ayan. Sumisigaw kasi mabilis ang kanilang ano. Ayan. So pataas na tayo guys. Chill lang. Ayan, nadaanan uli natin yung kanina. Ayan. And tapos ng ating ride. Overall guys, napakasaya ng experience ko sa pag-ride dito sa Alpine Roller Coaster. So next stop, yung recommended ng Grab driver ni Mr. B. See you.